Want to be free, live in RV. Want to be free, live in RV. Want to be free, decide about RVs. Here at Ubiquitous RV Center, we get a lot of customers who need to make RV decisions. Whether you are planning your first recreation vehicle or looking to upgrade your current one, decisions are a huge part of RV living. 2 weeks ago, a couple came in and detailed to me a really easy way to help you make decisions called the weighted mean. It was so easy they did the math right here in my office. Here's what they said. What is important in RV life? They said the answers depend on you, but here are their choices. Price of the vehicle, miles per gallon, and space/comfort. They said you can use theirs, add more, or use other ones. Now you rank the importance of these areas with weights, with the higher being more important. This couple ranked price the highest with an 8, miles per gallon the least important with a 1, and space/comfort sort of in the middle with a 5. There are so many RVs in the world, but here are the main ones they were looking at. Class A, Class B, Class C, truck and travel trailer, convert a van, and convert a minivan. Other types exist like fifth wheels, but these were the ones they were the most interested in. Then they went through and rated each of these vehicles according to the 3 categories they made before. They rated them from 1 to 6 because they had 6 options, but they said it can be done on a scale from 1 to 10 or 100 and so on. For a Class A motor coach, they said the price is terrible, 1. I know, it was kind of rude. And the miles per gallon are bad, 1. But the space and comfort are the best, 6. For a Class B like a Sprinter, the price is better, 3. The miles per gallon are better, 3. And the space is not bad, 3. We have those down in aisle 2. For a Class C like a Thor, the price is about the same, 3. Miles per gallon are a little worse, 2. And the space is a little better, 4. I think we have 1 in the front. For a truck and travel trailer, the price is a little worse because you need both parts, 2. The miles per gallon are similar to a C, 2. And the space is actually better because you have 2 areas, 5. For converting your own van, the price is better, 4. The miles per gallon are like a B, 3. And the space is the same as a B, 3. For converting your own minivan, the price is better, 5. The miles per gallon are better, 4. But the space is the worst, 1. Now they calculated the numerator of the formula, which is the sum of the weights times their ratings for each vehicle type. Class A, 8 times 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 5 times 6 is 39. Class B, 8 times 3 plus 1 times 3 plus 5 times 3 is 42. Class C, 8 times 3 plus 1 times 2 plus 5 times 4 is 46. Truck and travel trailer, 8 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 5 times 5 is 43. Convert a van, 8 times 4 plus 1 times 3 plus 5 times 3 is 47. Convert a minivan, 8 times 5 plus 1 times 4 plus 5 times 1 is 49. Now you can see that without even applying the denominator, the minivan won. The couple said that when they use weighted means, sometimes they look at how close the second place is and run it through again with another category. But the weighted mean technically is not over. We still need to divide by the sum of the weights. The sum of the weights for everyone is 8 plus 1 plus 5 is 14 because the weights are the same for each category. 39 divided by 14 is 2.8 because they said you round to 1 more decimal place than the original data. 42 divided by 14 is 3.0 because of the extra decimal place. 46 divided by 14 is about 3.3. 43 divided by 14 is 3.1. 47 divided by 14 is 3.4. So for their winner, converting a minivan, they got 49 divided by 14 is 3.5. So the next time you are making a decision, consider using the weighted mean to help. This has been a video by Counting Apples and Oranges and is part of an Introduction to Statistics series. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the comments below.